Let's learn the steps in setting up a new project. The following plan is what we are going to use as a reference to create a 3D house model in Revit. We will be working in the metric system. Let us start. Open Revit by double-clicking the Revit icon. The Recent Files window of Revit opens. From the Recent Files window, go to the Application menu and click on New Project. The Project Template dialog opens. We can see that there are different types of templates available. Templates contain predefined settings such as project units, levels, floor plan views, and component families. Depending on the type of template, the units, family, components, and other settings may vary. Since we are working on an architectural project, select Architectural Template from the drop-down. Now we have to select a metric system file. By default, Revit has different template files stored from which we can open our desired template. Click on the Browse button next to the drop-down and a Windows Explorer window opens automatically to the Indian folder of Revit templates. From that, select the default metric.rte file and click OK. The new project opens. Here we can see that the new project has opened in the Revit user interface. The first step after starting a project is to save the project file in the desired location. Select the Save option from the Application menu. Once we have saved the project, we can start with setting the units. Go to the Manage tab and click the Project Units button. The Units window opens and we can set the units to meters. Next, we can set the levels. The default metric template already has 2 levels. Since we are working on a 2-story house, we can change the levels to reflect that measurements. First, go to an elevation view. First, I am editing the existing levels to ground and plinth by clicking on the name. Next, using the Level tool in the Architecture tab, I am creating the desired levels. We can also use the Create Similar option by right-clicking on Levels to create new levels. We can also copy and paste levels using the Modify tab. I have created ground floor lintel, ground floor roof, first floor lintel, first floor roof and parapet levels in this way. We can see that in this way all the levels needed to create a two-story house has been created. These are the steps in starting a project.